Oh, this is going to be crazy now. Big ass drift track. Huge drift corner.
Mate.
Fuck my toe, landed on my fucking...
Good shit.
Yeah, I knew I was going to do that. I was getting a bit cocky with the whole thing.
That's alright, mate. That's what it's for.
It's only $20 to replace anyway.
Yeah, that's what it's for, dude. You're fucking easy ride home. It's up and down.
You can still ride the bike without a clutch.
Yeah, I know, but it's harder. I need to be able to get first gear still off.
No, I can't.
No, you roll stuff. It clicks second.
Oh, that's right, clutch still. In neutral, isn't it?